Hello children. I, Mrs. Inshu, will be teaching you English this year also. So I hope you all know that you have to make 2 copies of English. One for English 1 and the other for English 2. English 1 is English language and English 2 is English literature. So you have to make 2 copies of English 1 and English 2. And make sure that your copies are properly covered with name slips on them. So today we are going to start with English reader. Take out page number 5 of your English reader books. On page number 5, we are going to start with lesson number 1. Mr. Toad goes for a ride. Mr. Toad goes for a ride. Children, in this story, we are going to read about 3 friends. Who were those 3 friends? Mr. Toad, Rat and Mole. Now, what is a toad? Toad, you can see this is a toad. Toad belongs to the family of frogs. Rat, as you all know, you must have seen rat sometimes moving around in your house. And mole, this one is a mole. Mole is a mammal. It is also small in size and it looks quite similar to rats. Now let's start reading with this lesson. One day, Rat and Mole went to meet their friend Toad. What happened one day? This Rat and Mole went to meet their friend. As you can see in the picture, Rat and Mole went to meet their friend Toad. This was Toad who was sitting there. Toad was sitting in the garden and welcomed them warmly. Now, where was Toad sitting? Toad was sitting in the garden. And when he saw his friends who have come to meet him, he welcomed them warmly. Means he gave a hearty welcome to them. Or you can say he welcomed them with great love and affection. Hooray! You are just the friends I wanted to see. It is about rowing your new boat, I suppose. At that time, Mr. Toad told his friends Rat and Mole that you are the ones whom I wanted to meet, whom I wanted to see. At that moment, the rat told Toad, is it about rowing your boat? That's why you wanted to meet us. Rowing the boat means, children, a small boat that a person moves. A small boat that a person moves with the help of thin pieces of wood. That is called rowing the boat. Oh, pooh, boating. It's a silly waste of time. I gave that up long ago. Then at that moment, Mr. Toad told Rat that no, I am not talking about boating. That is just a waste of time. We will not go for boating. And I have given up that boating long ago. I have found the real thing. Come with me to the stable yard and see. Then Toad told this Rat and Mole that I have found something new. And that is real. And I will take you there in the stable yard and I will show you what I am having. Now you can see, children, stable. The meaning of stable is the where the horses are. The house of the horses. As you know that the horses live in a stable. So what is a yard? Yard is a grassy area around the house. Yard is a grassy area around the house. That is called a yard. So now this Toad wanted to take Rat and Mole to the stable yard and he wanted to show something to them. Toad led them to the stable yard and showed them a bright yellow carriage. Now, when Toad took this Rat and Mole to the stable yard, what was there in the stable yard? He was having a bright yellow carriage. You can see this in the picture. This is a bright yellow carriage. Now, what is a carriage, children? Carriage is a vehicle with wheels. You can see this vehicle is having wheels. You can see in the picture, this vehicle is having wheels. And carriage is a a carriage is a vehicle with wheels that is pulled by horses. I have written the meaning over here. A carriage is a vehicle with wheels that is pulled by horses. There's real life for you in that little carriage. Travel, change, excitement. Then Toad told his friends Rat and Mole that this is the real thing which I was having and which I was excited to show to you. So this is a real thing because here in this carriage we can travel from one place to another for a change. We can enjoy. Now let's move on to the next page, page number 6. Why don't we go for a ride this afternoon? Then Toad told his friends that we all should go together for a ride this afternoon. I am not coming. Then Rat told Mr. Toad, no, I am not interested. I will not come for a ride. But Rat, it might be fun. Then Mole told Rat that why you are not willing to come. It might be fun. Let's go for a ride in this carriage. Come on, Rat. I only want you fellows to have fun. Then Mr. Toad told Rat that come on. Don't be silly. We all will go together in this carriage and we will have fun. We will enjoy. Finally, Rat agreed to go for the ride. The three friends drove through the town. Then finally, when this Mr. Toad and Mole insisted Rat to go for a ride along with them, then at last Rat agreed, okay, I will go along with you for a ride. And then the three friends drove through the town. Drove means they traveled in that vehicle through the town. You can see in the picture that all these three were sitting in the carriage and they were moving around in the town. Toad was proud of his carriage. Now this Toad was very proud of his carriage. He was so excited that he was having a new carriage. Passers-by stopped and greeted them. Now the people who were passing through that way from where they were going, when they saw that beautiful carriage, what did they say? They told Toad that you are having a very beautiful carriage. Oh my, what a beautiful carriage. Good day, Mr. Toad. Then these people, or you can say these animals who were passing through that way, they told Mr. Toad that you are having a very beautiful carriage. And they wished Mr. Toad good day, that you go and enjoy your day. Let's move on to the next page. Suddenly they heard a vroom vroom sound behind them. Then when they were moving in their carriage, what did they hear? They heard a sound, vroom vroom. Now this vroom vroom is a sound which is made by a car. Vroom vroom is a sound which is made by a car. So you can see in this picture itself, this is a carriage in which they were moving, and behind came a car with a very high speed, and this car was making the sound of vroom vroom. A motor car sped past them, leaving a cloud of dust. It upset the carriage. Then at that time what happened? A motor car sped. Sped means to move quickly or to go quickly. At that time what happened? As you can see in the picture, this motor car passed through this carriage very quickly at a very high speed. And at that time what happened? When the car moves, like when a vehicle moves at a very high speed, it leaves a cloud of dust. It leaves the dust which is splendid in the air. So when this car passed through that carriage, it left a cloud of dust. And what happened at that time? Due to that, the carriage was upset and it fell into the ditch. Hey, can't you see and drive? At that moment, the rat shouted at the person who was driving the car, can't you see and drive? You are driving at such a very high speed. The carriage fell into a ditch. Rat was angry. Then, due to that car which moved at a very high speed and which made the carriage upset, what happened? What was the result? The carriage fell into a ditch. What is a ditch? You can see in the picture, ditch, it is a long hole in the ground on the side of the road. You can see on the roadside there is a long hole, and this is called a ditch. And this carriage fell into the ditch. And when this carriage fell into the ditch, rat was very angry. I will complain to the police. Then this rat shouted at the person who was driving the car that I will complain to the police. Mr. Toad seemed to be under a spell. Now at that time, Mr. Toad was lost. Under a spell means not in control of one's thoughts and actions. At that time, when the carriage fell into the ditch, and as Mr. Toad has seen this new car, so he was under a spell, means he was so excited to see that car that he was not knowing that what he was doing at that moment. He was not under the control of his own thoughts and actions. He had found a new interest. Now he was interested in something new. Now he was not interested in his carriage which has fallen into the ditch. He was interested in something new. What was that? What a glorious sight. What a magnificent thing. Glorious means wonderful. Glorious means wonderful, and magnificent means grand. Now as this Mr. Toad has seen that car, he was so excited to see that car that he couldn't control himself, and he was lost in his thoughts that he also wanted to have this kind of vehicle with him. What do we do with him? Now at this moment, Mole told Rat, now what should we do with this Mr. Toad? He is lost in his own thoughts. Nothing. When he likes something, he thinks of nothing else for some time. At that moment, Rat replied Mole that nothing, we are not going to do anything. When this toad this toad likes something, he is lost. He doesn't think of anything else. He only thinks of what he wants to have. Now children, let's move on to the next page, page number 8. Look, Toad, you have to go to the police station and file a complaint against the driver. Then Rat told Mr. Toad that, Toad, what you should do now? You have to go to the police station and file a complaint against the driver who passed by us at such a great speed. Then police station, complain me. Complain about that wonderful motor car. Never. Then Mr. Toad replied, Rat, police station, complaint. No, I will not go to the police station. And I will not complain against that person who was driving the car. That was such a wonderful motor car. No, never. I will never complain against that person. You see, he is quite hopeless. I give up. Then Rat told Mole that he is such a hopeless friend that I am not going to talk to him again. As I told him to go to the police station and file a complaint against that person who was driving the car, and he refused. Now I am not going to talk to him. I am just annoyed with him. We can't leave him here. Then Mole told the rat that we can't leave him here alone. We have to take him along with us. Fine, but I will never go on a trip with Toad again. At that moment, Rat told Mole, okay, fine, we will take him back along with us, but I will never ever go on a ride with Toad again in future. So, this rat was really annoyed with Mr. Toad because as their carriage has fallen into the ditch and Mr. Toad must have gone to the police station and complained against the motor car driver, but he refused to go to the police station also as he was just excited to have that motor car. So this rat was very annoyed with this Mr. Toad, and he finally decided that he will never ever go on a ride with Mr. Toad again. So children, this was all there regarding the explanation of this lesson. In the next video, we will do the book exercises as well as the question answers of this lesson. Thank you.